name is Gillian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am shocked at how many of you there are now. I have just hit 100,000 subscribers and I can't even imagine how many people that is. I mean, that is stadiums full of people. So thank you so much for being here and for making this past year so amazing, so incredible, such an incredible journey. I don't even have words to say thank you enough to you guys, and also thank you to YouTube for making this possible. So in this video, I just want to give back to you guys a little bit of what I've learned over this past year of growing my YouTube channel and share with you the 7 things that I've done to help my channel grow as quickly as possible. This past year has been a wild ride and so much has happened. While my YouTube channel is growing, I've been pregnant for half that time, about 7 months now I've been pregnant. We spent 2 months traveling around Europe. We moved twice. Just so much has happened. It's been really busy, but I share that with you both to just commemorate, you know, like, wow, it's been a crazy year, but also to encourage you that if you are starting your own YouTube channel or you're thinking about doing so, but you think you don't maybe have enough time to fit it all in, I just want to say it doesn't have to take that much time. I spend somewhere between 5 and 10 hours at the most every week working on my YouTube channel, and I've grown it to this point and it's supporting me full time. And if you want to find out more about exactly how much money I make from it and stuff like that, I have other videos all about those things, and I will be sure to link those ones down below so you can check them out. But in this video, we're just going to focus on what I have done that has helped my channel to grow as quickly as it has. Alright, so the first tip that I want to share with you guys is that when you're first starting out, you know, when you only have 0 subscribers or 10 subscribers or even 100 subscribers, every tiny little thing that you can do to help your videos do just a little bit better will have a big impact. So what that means is that whenever you upload a new video, you need to make sure that you immediately go watch that video all the way through to give it that first initial view to show YouTube that somebody cares about it. Hit the like button yourself. If you have multiple Google accounts, then log into each of them and hit the like button, and then share that video with whoever you can. Even if it's just your closest friends or your family members, share it with them, tell them that you're working on starting this new thing, and ask them to please watch the video, leave a comment, and like the video. Now, getting those first few likes and comments and views might not seem like very much. You might say, well, I'm trying to get, you know, hundreds of thousands of views. What good is getting a dozen or 2 dozen views right now going to do me? It makes a big difference because there's a big difference between a video with 0 views or with 3 views and a video with 30 views. I know that both those numbers are tiny, but 30 views shows that somebody is interested in it. And so the more views that you can get initially and the more likes and comments you can get, the better that video is going to do and the more quickly your channel will grow out of those tiny little baby steps. The second thing that I have done with my channel from pretty much square one, I feel like I started doing this about a month into the process, although it would have been even better if I had started right off the bat, and that was to do really careful research before I decided which video I was actually going to put on my channel. So instead of just coming up with ideas that sounded good or sounded fun to me or I thought maybe people would like, after that first month or so, I started being much more intentional about doing research first to make sure that the ideas that I was thinking of were actually ideas that had proven demand. So what I mean by that is I would search for the video idea that I was considering making on YouTube, and then I would look and I would see what other channels had made videos like that and how well that video topic or that video title had performed for the other channels. So this isn't about copying other people's ideas, this is just about doing research about your own ideas to make sure that there is actually demand and that people are actually interested in watching the videos before you take all the time to film and edit them and put them on your channel. I have another video that goes deep into my viral video strategy, and I'll link that one down below if you want to find out more about how that works. My third tip for growing your YouTube channel as quickly as possible is one that's definitely easier said than done, and it's probably the thing on this list of tips that I still have the hardest time with, but that is to create videos that keep viewers really interested and engaged. And that's because YouTube tends to promote videos that keep viewers engaged for longer. YouTube, of course, is a business, and they want to keep people on their platform for as long as possible. And so if your video does a good job of keeping viewers on YouTube and not on Facebook or Instagram, then you are going to find that your videos do a whole lot better. Once you start uploading videos on your YouTube channel, you'll be able to go into your creator dashboard and see exactly how long people are watching each of your videos for. So if you put up a 10-minute video, you'll be able to see a chart that shows where people stop watching it and how long they watch it for on average, what percentage they watch it on average, and you'll find that videos that people watch for longer periods of time or for a greater percentage are the ones that tend to do better. And that's because YouTube actively promotes those in the side column, suggested videos, and other places on YouTube. My fourth tip is so important, and that is to design click-worthy thumbnails. Because aside from YouTube promoting videos that keep viewers engaged for longer, they also definitely promote videos that people click on. So whenever YouTube promotes your video to someone, whether it's in that side column or on the homepage or wherever it is, every time YouTube shows your video thumbnail to someone and they're suggesting that that person watches it, YouTube is keeping track of whether or not they do watch it. So if YouTube suggests your video to 100 different people and 2 of them actually click on it and watch it, then YouTube won't really continue to suggest your video to new people because they think that people aren't actually interested in watching it. But on the other hand, if YouTube was to suggest your video to 100 people and 80 of them watched it, now that would be crazy and probably does not ever happen, but if more of them watched it, like 80 or 90 of them watched it, then YouTube would realize that lots of people were interested in watching it and they would promote it to more and more people because YouTube realizes that that is a valuable piece of content that is going to keep people on YouTube for longer. And just for a little bit of perspective, normally when YouTube shows your video to 100 people, somewhere between about like 3 and 10 of those people will actually click and watch it. But all that to say, the better you can design your thumbnails to get people's attention and to intrigue and interest them and to motivate them to watch your video for one reason or another, the better you can do those things, the more successful your video is going to be, and the more YouTube is suggesting any one video on your channel, the faster your channel is going to grow. My fifth tip is something that I'm sure you've heard a million times and don't really want to hear again, but it's upload consistently. Now there's 2 main reasons for this. The first reason is the one that you're probably more familiar with, and that is because when you upload consistently, then your subscribers know what to expect, and when you ask people to subscribe, you can tell them, you know, I upload new videos every week or twice every week or whatever it is, and that makes it more motivating for them to subscribe because they know that it's going to get them more content in the future. But the other reason why it's really important for you to upload consistently is actually for you. And that's because the more regularly you make videos, film videos, edit videos, and go through the whole upload process, the faster your skills improve and you actually get a lot better at making videos. The more consistent you are, the more frequently you upload, the better you will get at making videos, and the more quickly your channel will grow because of it. And that leads me right onto my 6th point, which is to constantly improve the quality of your videos. So when we start making videos, when you start your first channel, you, just like everyone else, just like me for sure, your first videos will not be very good. You'll probably be kind of awkward. Your quality probably won't be very good as far as visual and audio quality. You know, you might be using a cheap camera or your phone or your webcam, which is completely fine when you're first starting out. And of course your editing won't be quite up to par. You know, you'll make mistakes, you won't clean them all up, and that's fine, okay? You still need to get those first videos out there, even if they're terrible or awkward or embarrassing. Whatever it is, you need to get them out there because that is the only way you're going to improve. But you can only improve from there if you do upload consistently and you continue to practice and to learn new skills, and every single week you're working on making new videos and getting better and making your videos become better and better and better. The 3 main aspects aspects of your videos that you can improve are: one, your video ideas, so make sure you're always doing that research and figuring out what the very best ideas for your channel are. Secondly, your visual and audio quality, so that might mean that you upgrade your camera or you just get better lighting, because most cameras that you can get these days do just fine if you give them enough light. You also could upgrade your microphone or get a microphone if you don't have one right now. And then the third thing that you can do to improve your video quality is to get better at editing. Editing is how you're going to clean up your videos and make them a bit more fast-paced, cut out all those ums and uhs and boring parts so that you can keep viewers more interested and engaged throughout the entire video. Alright, and my seventh and final tip for you guys to grow your channel as quickly as possible is to have confidence that if you put in the work and you consistently improve your quality and consistently upload, your channel will grow. I have so many people reach out to me and ask me, why isn't my channel growing? You know, what do I need to do differently? What am I doing wrong? Or they tell me that they are doing everything right and that they've been working at this for so long and they're just not seeing the growth. And I go and I look at their channel and honestly, they haven't put that much work into it. Maybe they've been uploading for 3 months, 6 months, maybe even a whole year, but it's been really inconsistent. They uploaded a few videos a year ago and then they waited a few months and then a few more videos, and then just in this past month or something they've uploaded 5 videos, and so that's why they feel like they've been putting so much work into it, and they started a year ago. So they feel like they've put a lot of work into it, but it's been inconsistent, which means their quality hasn't improved nearly as much as it could. Their thumbnails are definitely not eye-catching or attractive or something that makes me want to click on them and watch the videos, and when I do watch the videos, the quality could definitely use some improvement. But I want to contrast that by saying that I have never yet seen a YouTube channel that was doing everything right, and I don't mean absolutely everything, but I simply mean covering these basic good practices, checking all the main boxes, you know, making good quality content, making it consistently, and making nice thumbnails for their content. I have never yet seen a channel that was doing all of those main things on a basically good level for more than about 6 months and wasn't starting to see significant growth. And the reason that I bring this up is because I want you to know that if you put in the work, if you upload videos every week, and you make sure that you create a great thumbnail for them and that you make them good quality videos, you can have confidence that you will see that growth that you're looking for, that you will attract subscribers, that your views will go up month after month after month, and that before you know it, you'll be making money here on YouTube, your audience will be quite sizable, and you'll be reaching thousands of people every single month. And like I said, I say that not only from my own experience, but also from the experience of so many of my clients and from simply the research that I and my team have done, looking at so many different people's YouTube channels and seeing what they're doing right and what they're doing wrong. A few days ago, I posted in the YouTube community and I asked you guys what you thought I should do to celebrate hitting this huge milestone with my own YouTube channel and what I could possibly do to say thank you for all of the support that you've given me over this past year and for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. So many of you commented on that post and asked me to give away memberships to Startup Society or one-on-one coaching, and I was so honored to have you guys ask for that. So I've decided to do exactly that. Over the next 2 weeks, I'm doing a $10,000 giveaway. I'm giving away 10 one-year memberships to Startup Society, which is my online training program for aspiring entrepreneurs, and I'm also giving away 2 one-month coaching packages with me. Also, as you might know, a few months ago, I packaged everything I know about starting and growing a successful, profitable YouTube channel into an online course called Channel Launch. Inside this online course, I teach all of the strategies that I've used to grow my YouTube channel by thousands of subscribers every single month over the course of this past year. As part of my celebration of hitting this huge milestone with my own YouTube channel, I really want to give back to you guys and support as many of you as possible in reaching your own big YouTube goals. So in order to do that, for these next 2 weeks, I'm offering Channel Launch at a really discounted price. If you're interested in entering either of these 2 giveaways or in finding out more information about channel launch and how it can help you grow your YouTube channel, then make sure you check the description down below. You'll find links for both of the giveaways and also a link with more information about channel launch. All right, well, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, all 100,000 of you. I still can't believe that. That is so crazy. But thank you so much. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, there has never been a better time than to join this amazing, giant family of people who are all interested in becoming more successful and taking control of their own lives. So please hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you are as impressed as I am with the growth that my channel has seen, but also if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, then hit that thumbs up button. And if you did enjoy this video, then I'd recommend next you check out this video right here, all about how much money I actually make with my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Again, my name is Gillian Perkins, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next video.